Hello humble bakers, which oven is best for you? Unox Ana or Unox Ariana? Pag-usapan natin yan. So sa Unox Ana, may kasama na siyang 4 pieces na stainless steel tray. So kasya dito yung 4 pieces na 6 inches by 2 inches round cake trays times 4 trays equals 16 pieces yung kasya. Kasya din yung 8 inches round by 2 inches times 4 pieces kasi 4 trays equals 8 pieces. Kasya din yung 2 pieces na 9 inches round by 2 pieces times 4 kasi nga 4 trays equals 8 pieces. Kasya din dito yung square pan like 10 by 10, 11 by 11 up to 12 by 12. Tapos 4 na trays yung kasya sabay-sabay. And kasya din dito yung 20 pieces na cupcakes. So pinagpatong ko yung dalawang tray ng cupcakes. And then 20 pieces yung kasya doon times 4 kasi nga 4 trays equals 80 pieces na cupcakes sabay-sabay pwede mong i-bake. Kasya rin dito yung 4 inches by 3 inches na bento, 12 pieces per tray times 2 equals 24 pieces na sabay-sabay. Need nyo kasi ng space in between para sa circulation, kaya hindi pwede yung 4 trays. Kaya most of my baking pans are 2 inches height para ma-maximize din yung capacity. Yung sa gilid ng door is high quality na plastic. Yung rubber gasket niya, ayan. So merong mga parts na nakasabit. And kung mapapansin nyo, parang detachable siya kasi pwede siyang palitan after like siguro mga 2 to 3 years pag ginagamit mo kasi sa mga ovens, ito talaga yung mga nasisira in time. So kailangan siyang palitan. Double wall yung glass door. Pwedeng lagyan ng air reductor para mas less yung brown sa likod na area. Ito yung temperature gauge and yung cooking time gauge. Andito yung bulb niya, which is warm white. And yung sa likod niya, malit lang yung space at hindi mo kaya maglagay ng thermometer gauge to double check the temperature. Let's talk about Ariana oven. Ito yung Steam Maxi button, temperature gauge, and yung cooking temp gauge. Same lang din yung kasya, just like Ana. Malaki yung space niya sa likod, around 3 inches. So, pwede kang maglagay ng thermometer. At dahil mas malaki yung likod na part, so, mas less yung hotspot sa likod. Pwede nyo namang i-lower yung temp sa Ana and bake it longer. It will have the same result based sa experience ko using yung Unox Ana. Yung sa side ng door is metal at mas premium. Pwedeng kabitan ng air reductor also. So, i-on natin ngayon yung Unox Ana. By the way, both ovens are 3 kilowatts. Kailangan nyo yan ng breaker. As per manual, kailangan talaga siya ng breaker. So, yung ilaw nito is warm white. And meron siyang beep na maririnig pagkasaksak mo. Then, pwede mo na siyang i-operate. Then, i-on naman natin yung Ariana. So, para dito sa likod niya sa hose or for humidity, kuha lang tayo ng pitcher na may tubig. And, i-dip natin yung dulo ng hose. Then, i-on natin yung oven. To introduce humidity at 100%. So, by the way, yung humidity nito is either 0 or 100% lang. Long press lang natin yung Steam Maxi button. So, mapapansin nyo sa likod na part yung mist ng water which turns into steam. This is perfect for breads, hard breads and artisanal breads. So texture, it will make a softer and more tender texture inside. Humidity also gives the baked goods good rise versus sa walang humidity or low humidity na oven. Crust development, much better versus low humidity. Ito yung gasket niya, mas makapal and naka-fix versus dun sa Anna. Unox Anna is 44,000 and Unox Ariana is 55,000. Sendan mo ko ng message if you're interested to order. Yun lang, salamat!